Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a colleague character reference letter for a visa. What is a colleague character reference letter for a visa? A colleague character reference letter for a visa is a formal document, written by a coworker or supervisor, to vouch for an individual's personal and professional integrity in support of their visa application. The letter typically highlights the applicant's character traits, such as reliability, professionalism, and moral conduct, as observed in the workplace. It may also include examples of their behavior in both professional and personal contexts, demonstrating that they are responsible, trustworthy, and a positive member of the community. The letter aims to provide the visa authorities with assurance that the applicant is of good character and will adhere to the rules and regulations of the country they are applying to visit. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a colleague character reference letter for a visa step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write the sender's information at the top left corner. This section provides your full details, establishing your identity and ensuring the recipient knows who is writing the letter. Write your full legal name and specify your current job position. Write also the name of the company where you and the applicant work together. This will be lending authority to your relationship with the applicant. And don't forget to write your company address. Write the complete address of your workplace by mentioning the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also provide the email address and phone number of the office. Below the sender's information write the date when the letter is written. This will ensure that the document is recent and relevant to the visa application process. After that, write the recipient's information. This section needs to identify the person or office receiving the letter. It is to ensure it reaches the correct authority handling the visa process. Write the recipient's title. This could be something like United States Embassy or Visa Officer. It's important to address it to the appropriate department or officer. And write the department or section. Typically, the consular or visa section of the embassy. This specifies where the letter should be directed, ensuring it's processed by the correct team. And write the full address of the embassy or consulate to ensure proper delivery. After writing all the information, you may write the subject line. This is optional. You can state the purpose of the letter by writing, character reference letter for, followed by the applicant's full name. Once you've done, you can now open the letter with a formal salutation. Simply, you may write, "Dear Sir or Madam," or "to whom it may concern." In the first paragraph, it is introduction. This paragraph sets the stage by clearly stating who you are, the relationship between you and the applicant, and the purpose of the letter. It establishes the framework for your character reference. Therefore, you need to introduce yourself and state the applicant's name. Specify that you are writing to provide a character reference for the visa application. This immediately informs the reader of the letter's purpose. For example, here is what you need to write. I am writing to provide a character reference for my colleague, Laura Kim, who is applying for a visa to the United Kingdom. And then, briefly describe your role at the company, and how long you have worked with the applicant. This adds credibility to your perspective, showing that your reference is based on meaningful interactions. Here is the example how you write it. As a project manager at Innovative Solutions Incorporate, I have had the pleasure of working closely with Laura for over 4 years. And I can attest to her exceptional character and integrity. In the second paragraph, this is where you write the applicant's professional qualities. In this paragraph, you focus on the applicant's professional qualities and work ethic. It paints a picture of the applicant's professional behavior, reliability, and contributions to the team. So, what to write? Here, you can start by describing the applicant's role and how they contribute to the organization. This provides context for their professional standing. For example, you may write something like, "Laura is a dedicated and reliable member of our team, consistently demonstrating a high level of professionalism and commitment to her work." And you need to discuss specific traits that highlight the applicant's dedication and reliability. Yes, mention qualities, such as their work ethic, professionalism, or leadership skills. For example she possesses a strong work ethic, and is always willing to go above and beyond, to ensure the success of our projects. And then, you can continue to emphasize their ability to work with others, highlighting teamwork and collaboration skills. This assures the reader that the applicant has strong interpersonal skills. You may write something like, "Her ability to collaborate effectively with colleagues and clients alike has made her an invaluable asset to our organization." In the third paragraph, this is where you write about the personal character. Here, you need to describe the applicant's personal character traits outside of their professional life. It should be emphasizing qualities like kindness, generosity, or empathy. This shows the applicant's well-rounded nature and good standing. You can start with highlighting the applicant's positive personal attributes. They are such as kindness, empathy, or their willingness to help others. This will demonstrate their integrity beyond the workplace. For example, you may write it like this. Beyond her professional accomplishments, Laura is known for her kindness and generosity. For the next, mention any specific acts of kindness or contributions to the community, if relevant. Because this can provide concrete examples of their good character. Here you can check the examples. She is always the first to offer assistance to those in need, whether within our company or in the wider community. Her empathy and understanding make her a respected and cherished member of our team. In the fourth paragraph, this is about the purpose of the visit. In this section, you need to explain the applicant's reason for applying for the visa. Besides, you must also assure the reader of their intent to abide by all regulations. Of course, this can help clarify the applicant's purpose and trustworthiness. By doing so, you need to state the reason for the applicant's travel, and any event or conference they will be attending. This is the example how you write it. Laura's purpose for visiting the United Kingdom is to attend the Global Tech Innovations Conference in London. And you can elaborate more about it like, "I have every confidence that she will represent innovative solutions incorporate in her country, with the utmost respect and professionalism during her stay." Still in the same paragraph, you can also assure the reader that the applicant will follow the rules and responsibilities of their visa. It should be showing that they are responsible and aware of the requirements. If you have no idea what to write, you may copy this. She is fully aware of the responsibilities that come with being granted a visa, and is committed to adhering to all the rules and regulations of the United Kingdom. In the fifth paragraph, you will write a conclusion paragraph. It means, you need to summarize your support for the applicant's visa application. When you do this, you have to reinforce your positive recommendation. Yes, reaffirm your strong support for the applicant's visa application, and express your confidence in their good character. Here is the example how you write it. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly support Laura Kim's application for a visa to the United Kingdom. And kindly ask for your favorable consideration of her request. And you can add more by writing something powerful like, "Her character, dedication, and respect for others make her an ideal candidate for this opportunity." In the sixth paragraph, this is where you invite further communication. In this section, you need to encourage the recipient to reach out for any further questions or clarifications. This shows your openness and reinforces the seriousness of your recommendation. By doing so, you must provide your phone number and email address. And here is how you write it. Should you require any further information, or wish to discuss Laura's character and qualifications in more detail, please do not hesitate to contact me at 2065551234 or daniel.roberts@innovativesolutions.com. And for the closing, you can thank the recipient for their consideration. You may simply write, "Thank you for considering this character reference." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a colleague character reference letter for visa step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. And see you soon.